Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use rule tiles in Unity. They're basically just, they're kind of like just things in a tile map, but they basically auto pick which one you need. So instead of having to place this one a corner, this one a different corner, this one a different corner, this one a different corner, you just draw it and it automatically does it for you. So it makes tile maps like 10 times easier. So let's get into it. So the first thing I need to do is obviously create a tile map. So go 2D object, sprites, no, not sprites, tile map, rectangular. So now you see the grid is a bit more outlined when you're selected on it. Then we need to right click down here, create 2D tiles, and you can see rule tile is right here. So I'm just going to call this like tutorial. You can see here there's a list of rules. So I'm going to set this to 8 for now. Okay, so next we need to get up our trusty Unity documentation. And you can see here a list of all the rules and then the different tiles we need. So you're going to need to draw up a tile map. If you don't know how to do that, I have a video on my channel. I'll put a link to it on the top right of the screen now. But what we need to do is we need our tile set. So I think I have one somewhere. Give me a minute. Found it. Alright, so we have tile map. So as we know, you're going to have to split this up. So my pixels per unit is actually 8x8 for this one. Make sure multiple, point no filter, compression to none. Apply, and then in the sprite editor we're going to slice grid by cell size 8x8. You can see it slices off each of those things pretty nicely. And now in our tile map, or in our rule tile, and we get up our Unity documentation. We just like just gonna put that on my other monitor, but okay, so the first one is here, 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 and here. This is basically, there is one of the objects here, or there is one of this tile here, and not here. So that would mean it's a corner. So we get our corner. Bang, and now you can see it appears up here. And also our default tile, you just want to make that your inside tile. And now we need to just get to work adding them. So then we have here, here, and oops, here and here. So that means there's nothing here and there's 2 there, so that'll be our bottom right corner. And you can see they fill in down here. So I'm just going to leave a list up here of all of them, and I'm just going to get to the work. Alright, so I got all my rules in, and now just dragging the tiles. Let's see. Nothing here, so that would be the top right corner. This would be top. No, sorry, that's top left. This is top right. Then we have left wall, top wall, right wall, and bottom wall. Okay. So you see down here it looks kind of nice, but there are a few that are just blank here. That's for basically like, what if you just have a single block on its own? So you see that would go right here. Then we have these 3 and these three. See, it's kind of like an up pillar, so you can add them if you want. You might not want to. I'll just do the singular tile because I feel like that might be useful. So right here, so that would mean there is nothing anywhere, and that would be this one. Oops. Oh god, what have I done? There we go. So now to get this into our tile map, it's quite simple. We just drag it in as if it was one of the sprites. So we go Window, 2D, Tile Palette. Let's just create a new one. Yeah, just select folder there. And if we drag in our tutorial, you can see it comes up as this. And we can now draw with it really easily. Now you can see stuff like this doesn't work because we don't have the like singular up and singular across. But you can add those if you want. It's pretty simple to do. But yeah, that's going to be it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.